black plum.
Yeah.
What was it?
You know, the thing that we said so. Take one.
Oh, the clapboard?
Yeah.
At the office, we don't need that. A movie settings in there, man.
A movie we are make further.
Take one, scene one.
And you're gonna say action.
Oh, okay.
Alright, she get her touch up people, so right now them over there, so.
You can't talk about what things doing, bro.
Me know.
Everybody phone is on silent?
Yeah, everybody phone on silent?
Your phone is on silent because your phone is
You
loaded.
put it on silent already. Shericka, growing up, what were your favorite Christmas carols and can you sing one?
And can I sing one? Alright, my favorite Christmas carol was Joy to the World. I'm gonna sing it now. Joy! You know, I'm telling this, you know, we did better. We already Hey.
Remember saying I hold up with something?
Nah, it heavy? Alright, ready?
You know, like, you're gonna have to see it. Just like how you laugh.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
We don't want me, we don't make me sing. You see if we don't make me sing. Alright, ready now.
Alright. Shericka, growing up, what was your favorite Christmas carol and can you sing one?
Alright, my favorite Christmas carol was Joy to the World. Joy to the world. Alright, but that part I love me now. Alright, ready? So I know that part, so that was my favorite.
Has this changed? If yes, what is your favorite Christmas carol now?
My favorite Christmas carol now. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Give me a line now.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Which artist, whether Jamaican or international, would you like to release a Christmas song?
Alright, I would definitely want Spice to release. Honestly, I would definitely want Spice. I've always listened to her music. Most of her music I like, so definitely Spice.
Is there a Christmas carol that isn't your favorite but it just sticks? It's so catchy that it just sticks.
No, my uncle know too. So my uncle know too Christmas song. So I definitely don't think so. I just know two.
And the last question, do you know any Jamaican Christmas carols at all?
No. I know one, you know, but Christmas I come? Mama Lama? Alright, one. One, I know two, but I only can't say one. So I'm not going to say the other one, but I definitely know two. So.
And that's it.
We know two, can't sing that back.
Yeah.
But the Christmas that comes there, that'd be nice.
Can I go back to the AC?
Yeah.
No, but you have to go, we have to go take some shots.
The outside?
You might take some shots of you right there.
I'm staying about it, Daddy?
I did, I would.
Shericka, wait.
You want to call me?
Yeah, no, I'll open it first.
I be out, call it anything. Love all you guys.
And then there were 5.
Be merry and blue. Remember what good with the water.
Same one there.
That was actually
You're not kids. Go on. I'm change up in my mosquito, right? Ready? You get you?
Then I see no flash or nothing out here.
You say no, you say
He flashed it.
Alright, you ready?
Oh.
Actually, I'm putting it.
Here, what? You give her the code now when she goes throw it up.
Ready?
Ready.
Get you? Alright, you want me to stand up?
Yeah, I mean, it's in there.
I can't really see good, you know.
catch it?
Yeah, sure that one there, that one is nice.
No, man, they want sweat. I do want it more than that. Ready?
Professional.
I didn't get that.
Let's see. So go throw it up.
No, just put it there to be on her.
Behind her.
Nah.
Alright, let's go. I'll be as quick as possible. Question number 1. What do you love most about Christmas time in Jamaica?
What I like most about Christmas in Jamaica is like pepper lights. I like seeing Christmas trees. I like family times. I think that's what I love the most about Christmas in Jamaica.
And what's your favorite Christmas tradition?
Probably Christmas dinner with family and friends and loved ones. Maybe. I think for me personally, I think Christmas gifts. I like that a bit more. I want them give me the gifts, I'm gonna give them the gifts. I think I like exchanging gifts.
Alright, is Grand Market a must do for you Christmas time?
Well, Grand Market in Jamaica for me when I was much younger is, hey, me and my friend them, I'm gonna drop a little, can I drop a little part one and look at English? So for me personally, like whenever we go Grand Market, they always say the mascots. I'm afraid of them though, but whenever I go there, you know, you have a little change, you can buy little gifts and stuff. I think I love it when I was much younger. So I think normally it was something I look forward to every year, you know. Alright, then your friend them ask me, I go Grand Market, you definitely know say I go Grand Market. The other day, if you don't go to Grand Market, then you're not really hot in Jamaica, you know, because you know them are bring a Grand Market and all of the good things them. I think I love that the most.
And do you regard yourself as a Christmas girly?
Yeah, come tap with me a sweat. bad.
Only 2 more
You see
questions. Just 2 more questions.
Just see, just it out the drip.
Listen,
Me a look.
yeah, I can see it now.
So you couldn't see it by the camera?
No, can't see.
So that close up.
Oh,
And around our neck too.
yeah.
Boy, they make that Airbnb a
Alright,
full
we
still.
have 2 more questions.
Yeah.
What else you should have out
Yeah, brother.
But this is where people will spend most of the time anyways.
Because it out here could have cool down for this. I know the lights make it extra
In your
hot.
saga be
I'm not
hottest.
walking at this as a
No, I just-
all kind of sweat.
Alright, 2 more questions.
It can melt for sure.
Me
And
a
they
melt
have
off.
them.
Ready?
I'm
Rolling.
gonna say can't cook it down.
Now I'll lift you up.
Ready? Roll it.
Alright.
Do you regard yourself as a Christmas girly?
I don't regard myself as a Christmas girly now that I'm older. But it's something I'm looking forward to. Like I had my first Christmas tree, I think back in 2021. So I'm definitely going to try to be a Christmas girly because as I said, I like the family time and I haven't had much of that Christmas. So now I'm going to start including that. So I'm going to get my second Christmas tree soon. So I'm going to try. I'm not, but I'm going to try, definitely.
Alright, lastly, can you describe what you think a Jamaican Santa
Hey!
Claus would look like?
So, what I think a Jamaican Santa Claus should look like. Dark skin and big and chopped. Have locks and a little bit of beard. Him not have to have the beard white, you know. Him can have it black or one. Alright, let me tell you, like how a WATA can get the blue beard. My Santa Claus supposed to have the blue beard and everything. So my initial Santa Claus supposed to have him look a blue beard. Him can put a little blue in him locks too and catch it up, so you know it represent water. Him can do it in a blue or white, like blue or white water, right? So I think definitely my Santa Claus dark skin, blue or white ear. Him can split the beard in a 2, 1 blue, 1 white. So definitely I think that should be my ideal Santa Claus for Christmas.
And that's a wrap.
So that one was definitely better.
Yeah, 1 white, 1 blue water.
We can see what graphics can come up with.
Blue locks, white blue.
No,
Yeah.
Come here.
no,
the thing is, you see, because she say you have to go thick, you know, so you know, say abs of the show. Yeah.
One white, one side white, one side.
Yo.
You have the look Santa Claus.
This one to tighten.
Yeah, and graphics man, I have to make sure say when you have the back on the
You
back.
have to try that look that she just described.
Yeah. Half blue, half white.
Half blue, half white, the ear and so. I don't know what they represent.
Looking at the camera. Look into the camera. Smile.
Like you're buying the cookie now, like.
Gladstone, now you must tell her when you're good enough.
Yeah, what's that?
Can I try next one with you? Look directly at me and I smile with the milk.
Come again?
Look directly at me and smile with the milk.
Oh,
In
in
a
the
milk in our hand.
That is it.
Look at the camera.
Yeah, that last one was really good.
I'll do the sorrel one when she's around the table.
Alright. Yeah, so it's finished. Second episode.
Just there.
Right.
So,
Careful.
start filming this stuff now.
Yeah.
Don't move any of it.
Oh.
Let's get to the room.
That's not the
empty.
I feel so good today, you know, this is my first shoot that I, you know, it's my first shoot, I mean, plan everything. So, yeah, you know what I mean, so, but they have the idea of a Jacko Christmas, we have the idea of a Jacko Christmas jingle, and everything that is executing right now, I feel so proud, you know what I mean, so, see the team executing, yeah,
Hi, internet.
yeah.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel, yeah, but remember guys, 2024, expect some big things from WATA with Shericka Jackson. You know what I mean? You know, so from my brain I work, a problem, so stay tuned. And make sure you subscribe.
Knock off the light on your ear, them out.
I'm going to say I'm wear bad lighting as
No,
still.
I never see the man use the lights.
Me I say.
Video.
No man, good man. Hey. Remember say with or without light we have face boy now.
Hey!
No man, calm now. But yeah, stay tuned, we soon come back.
Alright.
Hi, vlog.
Yes, it's the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Bye, vlog.
Alright. Vlog right over there, I go and consume my own cookie. You know what I mean?
So you've always been vlogging? Or you just a start vlog?
Oh yeah, sir. Talk to the vlog, my father.
Hold on, where's Alexia?
In the room there. Me not talk to the vlog, me talk to you.
Alright, but I am the vlog. Hold on people, we're gonna have like a private conversation. We soon come back. Nice lunch, you getting enough people, see it? Let me see which part my one day. See it? Sit down. Sit down. You know what I mean? See my name there? I don't know if you can see, but yeah. We just so I go and eat cookie in the meal. So as me that's the people. So I had this idea to build out a whole Jacko Christmas campaign because I want to build myself. It's not just a guy where I can see on screen and thing. More want to get to the level where I can move behind the scenes and let people execute my vision. You know? Be the brains. So WATA love the idea for a Jacko Christmas. And plan everything. All the questions I'm gonna get asked. All the questions that Shericka is getting asked, and me come up with the question, then me come up with the whole idea for everything. The look and the feel of everything. So really happy to see my vision come to life. And there's something to say. You can go far, you understand? You can go far. More have an effect on marketing of athletes. You can see them outside of the sport itself. So big up WATA for believing in my vision and bringing that to life. Folks, you see as a wanga belly youth now. You see when they're on the set and like them done film and then the cookies left and they not eat the cookies. You have to just forward and then instead of we're serving the environment good. Because if we throw this outside, it's polluting. Polluting what? I'm not sure. But
It's just no wasting.
No
You're
wasting.
not wasting the food. So many hungry people out there.
Want one?
That's so good, yeah. Give me one of them cookies.
Of course you don't want one.
Yes, I like oatmeal cookies.
As for the other sweet stuff, I don't really like.
I'm not really a big fan of cookie though. Chocolate chip and...
What kind of cookie?
Huh?
If it was ever...
Guys, another shot and then I'm a shot.
Which shot?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, father.
chocolate chip, still that would get none.
Huh?
For the chocolate chip, you would get none because the two will make less away with the less would have gone already.
It's so big.
Done.
Alright, well, with a chocolate chip or dog chip.
I cannot.
For a cookie?
Yeah, eat it.
Yeah, eat it, man.
Alright,
I don't like oatmeal like that.
I like it.
You're a chocolate chip girl?
I like the dried fruit.
You're a chocolate chip girly?
I like the dried fruits here. I them with everything.
Alright, guys.
Oh, really?
So right now, Shericka is in the room.
That's what the corporate company.
She a chill.
Place.
Place is very hot. So she a get her change the outfit. How would the backside going?
I just want to like turn off, bro. I just want to like turn off. I look forward to the finish, bro. I really am.
I think everything we do with Shericka has always been nice, to be honest.
Yeah, she seems like she have a really
Yeah.
personality.
So, vlog we're gonna see enough time when we interview Shericka. You know what I mean? She's always a vibe, always chill, very
She's
nice
very
person.
funny.
Yeah, she naturally funny. So, yeah, she make your work easier, to be honest. Yes, when you see them video up on the WATA Sports page, yeah, when you see them video up on the WATA Sports page, I shield ask the question them, is it bad Lexi? You know what I mean?
You know. Remember, so the perspective, you need to come down.
Me have to come now?
You know.
Oh no, but
I just said so.
that's me also. They don't even say nothing further than that. They know who he is already.
But it's a collaboration still, because Sidan.
And we conceptualize everything.
Yeah.
You say, you know how we roll already. We conceptualize it and we say team.
Let's go.
You know what I mean? Even though me and the money man, we just link up, we just call two money friends and say, "Poops," and them say "Boops" and everything does.
Bloops.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, but
Alright.
as I say, it's like a behind the scenes me I give you know. Of the day how it transpire, and one of Jamaica's most favorite athletes. She's the fastest. So, people.
She just walked into the room, y'all.
People.
Dr. Shericka Jackson.
Yeah, the doctor is here. You know how you hear about Dr. Beanie Man, and you hear about doctor this and that. The doctor. Yeah.
Alright.
Catch them vlog,
Yeah, I'm gonna shout out him in YouTube channel.
People see the doctor here. See it here. Watch
My
out.
name. Let me introduce you.
Is it on her?
Hey.
Go check, please.
Yo, how we stay up on the camera, friend? Check it.
Gladstone, check it.
Sorry. Yeah, you can
Hold on.
I made it a
Joke at them,
man.
you know.
Sorry,
Yeah, rotate this up. Carry it up.
The man just taking picture them.
Wait, you can light up? Yo, lock off when they light up. Make it show that light up.
It's a you turn it on already? Oh. Yes. Let's see.
Yo.
That's showing that vlog, man. Yeah, man.
kind of good with dogs.
Wait, watch out. Wait, watch out. Wait, I'll go. He's gonna say, turn on the lights. And then it's pick up.
Yeah.
I'm done with it on right now. Yeah.
More than see blink.
Blink for more.
This one.
I'm gonna figure it out.
Let me play with it.
Alright, come. Attention now when the doctor is speaking.
Let me talk down. Hello guys, my name is Dr. Shericka Jackson. CD. I'm the fastest 200 woman alive, and the second, third, and fourth fastest of all time.
Wow.
Over 200.
Wow.
Yeah, tell him like, share, and subscribe.
So guys, hello, I'm back. I want you to like, subscribe, and share Sidan Boys on YouTube. He's also on Instagram.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
I remember if I interview them
They're coming.
Yeah,
Track season
yeah.
is almost here. So
Olympics
they
are come up. Water. Watch out, remember if you said
One
the
water, I'm
Olympics.
telling you. One water, water straight. You know, glowy skin, everything. Drink up on the water.
I'm dead.
She can probably even mention like since you never have siblings around,
yeah.
probably that
Only child?
yeah.
That question is coming up, don't you worry. Alright.
This feel relatable.
Alright.
Yes, it's your face.
Exactly. No, me tell you, the thing is, it's because me only child too, so me kind of understand.
Can't relate.
Me never have them something.
Sometimes I wish I could.
Me never have them something in my yard either.
You ready?
Yeah, we're rolling.
Alright. So Jacko Christmas dinner. First question, how did your family prepare for the Christmas shoppings, if any did go on?
Oh, alright. Because I don't think my family prepared for Christmas like that. Because I never had a Christmas growing up where we prepare like, oh, we cooking, and we never had that home where we have a family home. So we never did any preparation for Christmas. It's just mommy cook and you eat your dinner whenever mommy shares dinner.
So is this something that you want to start incorporating in your Christmas celebrations?
Definitely, I would definitely want to do something like that because someday I'll have a family of my own, so I would definitely want to do that. Now, probably this Christmas I probably have more people at home than usual, so definitely would like to do that.
Alright, being an only child, did it mean that you had to help mom, you know, when she's cooking on Christmas Day? We know it wasn't Christmas dinner, like any special days that you would cook, does it mean that you would have to help, or did it mean just more food for you?
Being an only child, I don't think my mommy I had to help my mother to do anything. Firstly, by the time I wake up, my mommy good to finish cooking, because let me tell you, in Jamaica, you know, them always said the old people them cook on coal stove. So you have a little coal stove. So my mother don't cook on gas stove because I personally believe that the coal stove food is A1. If you don't want the good Christmas food, get yourself a coal stove. So I didn't have to help my mother to do anything because by the time I wake up, food already finished. It's just to eat breakfast, and then down in the day, probably about 11 and 12, we'll have dinner. So.
Okay.
Early
What are some must-haves on your Christmas plate?
Oh my god, alright. What are some must-have on my Christmas plate? Chicken, definitely. So my mother cook my chicken, it does taste different from every other chicken she cook on a Christmas. I think chicken, probably you can have a little bit of turkey neck because she know I love turkey necks. So I think chicken, turkey neck. I don't really like vegetable, you know, but if you make a plate look good, we would put a little bit on it. But as I said, turkey neck and chicken. Once you have a turkey neck, chicken, and the rice and peas, I'm good.
Okay. Are you team sorrel, team eggnog, or team rum punch?
Alright. It's team sorrel if my mother make it. So it's only if my mother makes it. So if I'm not my mother, then I will go with the rum punch. But the sorrel, once it's mommy, I'm team sorrel.
And the final question, are you a foodie?
Hey. Let me tell you, I'm a picky eater. But you see, like different days, me's a foodie. And if I'm hungry, I'm very miserable. So I consider myself a foodie.
And that's alright.
And that's Sarah.
I'm gonna be honest about that. Nobody else to talk to her.
When I post a corporate video, what you say your chicken, and I get a Dave Chappelle part. You know what is chicken?
Alright, so now
Alright.
we're gonna take the
Photos.
So you have, that can be a sorrel or your rum punch, you look like the boy.
Can I drink it?
Come on.
Rum punch, little darker than that.
Oh, she fix up it. She fix up. See the people. I saw we do it on the set, you know. Oh.
Jamaican patois, tap it.
Mm-hmm. We not say stop. Oh, yeah, Mr. Vip, stop.
Bad production team and so. So like personal videographer there so too. You see.
Some in the back like, what are you, bro?
Alright, come and make up now. You're good.
Alright, vlog world. This time we officially finished filming. The earlier time, we never finished, you know what I mean? But we finished now. It was such a good day, man. It was such a good day. I think this is gonna be some really good content for you guys. But remember, like, share and subscribe. That's all I'm telling you. Like, share and subscribe. I wanna hear Shericka telling you already, brother. Wake up with yourself. I'll see you guys soon in the new year.